out to explore this little trail. We came through a road called Chapel Road over in the Bell Rock area. So we went over to Berry Divine in Sedona and we got a Red Rock bowl, some acai bowl, really nice. As we're admiring the red rocks here in Sedona. Check this out. Today we have perfect weather. Not one cloud. Blue sky. Red and green colors. We've got Nana happy over here. Miss Galia enjoying her acai bowl.
So nice.
It's really beautiful.
You want to eat a bayaya?
You want to eat a little banana, Shushu? Come on, get your little banana. Ooh, good girl. She eats her fruits. Good girl. I'll actually accept that time. We always got some chemtrails, but it's still a beautiful day. Huh, Nana? She thinks we're gonna give her food. So what do you think about the state of our world, babe?
We're fucked. I mean, for the people, like I said in my previous video, who have been dedicated to doing the work the past few years, we're not gonna like feel it as much.
There's a lot happening in the world, and I mean, it's been happening obviously for many, many decades. It's not anything new under the ancient sun, but we can feel it. We as a humanity can feel that pressure, the pressure of being birthed, right? It's like the birthing pains of the mother. All of the volcanic eruptions worldwide that are happening, volcanic eruptions happening, crazy weather patterns, whether it's HARP manipulation, right, by the elite, and of course Mother Earth herself shaking and just ready to shift, right? Great Spirit is reminding us of these times that were prophesized by many. The Hopi tribe, so many ancient prophecies, even in biblical times, of course, that was written by man of these times. So it's been, what, 2 days after the solar eclipse. At least we've got some nice weather and definitely more reflection. But I really feel it. I feel like as a humanity we're tired. Especially like the people that have been doing the work for the past years. I feel like so many times it's like we want to give up, or we get close to this point of just being so exhausted, but at the same time we cannot give up. And the most important thing is the inner work, our relationship with ourselves, with God, with the divine, with the Great Spirit. And I feel like this is the most important thing, because it's so easy to get lost, right, babe? Getting lost in what we think we should do, what success is, like all of this stuff. And in the end, what does it even matter? I see so many people that have money and they haven't even pondered the meaning and depths of life. And at the end, material success, as we always say, and what I've always said, like, material success is nothing if you don't have your inner success.
Mm-hmm.
And it's really easy to get lost in this world. Mm-hmm. It's really easy to get lost, to get carried away. You know, it happens to the best of us. It happens to me still. But the fact that we are on our path and we've created a lifestyle that allows us to always remember what is the most important thing. I think this is what always brings me back and what brings us back. So this is a little reflection on this little hike, you know. We're definitely in some crazy times, but I feel like we need to remember while we're here, and again, going back to the simplicity of life. Right, Nana? The simplicity of learning to just be like, why can't I just be like you, Nana? You're happy, just waiting for your meals, going on your little walks, playing with your parents, and you're just content. You don't worry about stuff, Nana. You're just happy, you're present. Because you don't have a rational mind that is trying to break everything down into whatever. You just are. And this is, I feel like, what? This is ultimately, right? The best way to be. And it's not an easy process, but it is the only way. So we are at the River Verde, out here at the Old Town in Clarkdale. Over here basically next to Cottonwood. And it's such a beautiful place. We're about to actually keep walking, going on a little hike, and then there's a river that crosses here, and also you can swim in this river. It's really chill.
Mama, 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 mama. Mama, 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 mama,